Right, how are we performing so far on the portfolios with September behind us? This is where we are. Our quality 5 plus year to date is up 18.35%. Obviously not as good as some of the best stocks within it, but still, I'll take that. The S&P is up 14.35. The FTSE UK All Share is up 15.9. Those are two comparators for you. Our US ETFs, which we selected based on ones which have generally and consistently outperformed the S&P 500 but have low volatility high Sortinos, they're up 19%. Now, the reason that's somewhat surprising is because generally exchange traded funds with low volatility tend not to do as well as individual stocks. So I'm happy and impressed with that. Our UK ETFs, what I call version 1, 15% up. The model UK ETFs, these are exchange traded funds that you can buy from the London Stock Exchange, so suitable for UK investors, up 20%. Okay, AI picks, this is where we've uploaded all our data to AI and then said to AI, right, which, based on all your knowledge and know-how and the research that we've provided and everything else, which are the best selections. That is year-to-date up 22.94%. The S&P 500 filtered with the high Sortinos up 27%, knocking the ball out of the park there. The quality 5, now these are just my quality 5, the 2Ms and the 3As, as you've heard me say in my webinars. Ignore European bats for the moment. These are European stocks. We've got to update the data on that, so it's in yellow. We'll update that. But I expect that's been continuing nicely. One of our clients, we use him as a sort of just an example of somebody who made their own cake, 15.78%. Then another one, Dinshaw's portfolio, 37.92, and a further one, 17.23. Why are they different? Well, different clients have different risk profiles and pick different securities. Anyway, that's where we are so far. I'll see you in a few weeks and tell you what's coming up next. And don't forget, links, bio, subscribe, get in touch as well. Thank you.